What's up guys, it's your boy Psycho here and welcome back to another video. And in this video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys the fastest killing Marco-5 build in the game. It's absolutely insane. It hits like a truck and the recoil is insane as well. Wait, my controller's a bit broken. I've ordered a new one, but that's going to have to do for now. So the recoil booster, a Marito 342mm04P. The optic, obviously a slate reflector. The stock is a Marito. And now let's get unmarked and quick. Rear grip, taped grip, magazine, 64 round mag. The ammunition, let's go with lengthened. And then underneath the marked skeletal. So that is the best Marco-5 build in the game. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, see you guys in the gameplay. Oh, just looking at my phone, man. Got a trash drop. Ass cheeks. My aim is ass cheeks. Oh, shredded, man. Absolutely shredded. That's quite a bit. I think that's two people cluster strike the same area. That is quite a lot of cluster strikes. Sorry kid, going up the zip line there. I'm coming to you now. How much is it? No! I missed my throwing knife. Oh god. I'm actually trash, man. Right. Do you guys know where some other people are? So I don't see no one. Oh, this is a good window. Oh, I've missed my shots there.
Hostile operator.
Take prison. Follow me. Or take prison, jump off tower to prison with us. You know, we can look around. That mic though. Hit him by... He's really low, he's probably taking shield plates. Don't push though, keep prison. Oh my. No, I am actually bad. Oh, munitions. We've got munitions. Kids on prison. Kids on prison. On me. At the other side. Yeah, airstrike.
Hostile operator.
Oh. Yep. What did you? Nice. Push. Yeah, push. The kid who's not with us dies. Oh, on me. I've got stunned, but I don't know where the kid is. Drop it down. Oh, I didn't know where he was. He came up from behind. I'm landing on loadout. Nice. Ay. Oh no. I might go up. Oh, I see that kid. Oh, kid camping. There's a kid camping underneath the stairs. Oh, I'm gonna get lasered. Oh, nice. Where are they? Oh, I see some kids, but I'm getting shot at. Taken up here. Could be a kid on there. No, there's not a kid on there. Kid landing in. But oh, this stupid thing's in front of me. The kid just landed, but there's a kid thing in front of me. Why did I double it? I just jumped on it. I can't see him. Nice. Nice.
I'm hit.
Downed. I downed him. Yeah, I killed that kid. This kid's running. A couple of matches before this, I got a 13 kill win in Rebirth. There's probably kids on water tower. I'm taking height. Take top of prison. Descending up. Jesus. Yep, there's kids water tower. There's kids on water tower. Like always. Oh my god, the STGs are laser. Downed. Kid behind there. Where? I fell. I'm inside. There's lots of kids inside. No, they're inside. If we take height, take height. Cracked. Yeah, I cracked one. Yeah, they're camping. I'm early rotating. Oh, yeah, this is not really early rotating. Are they actually? I could, but there's no buy stations near me right now.
Let's head for the safe zone.
I don't know where anyone is. Oh, our teammate got sniped. Cracked. Downed one. Nah, man. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay. As you could see, the gun was very, very nice to use. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.